In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your hosting or domain with your Shopify website. This process is essential if you want to fully utilize your custom domain and give your customers a seamless experience as they visit your online store. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into both your Hostinger and Shopify accounts. It's important to have all your login details handy to avoid any interruptions during the process. Having access to both accounts will allow you to easily navigate between platforms and make sure all changes are correctly implemented. Once you're in your Hostinger account, head over to the dashboard. Look specifically for the Domains section. This is where you manage your existing domains and make necessary adjustments. Click on the Domains, and you'll be presented with a list of all the domains you've purchased or have access to. Identify the domain you want to connect with Shopify and click on it to enter its configuration settings. Now that you're in the Domain Settings section, you're going to focus on two crucial records, the A record and name record. These records are like the address book of the internet that directs traffic correctly to your Shopify store. Let's start with the A record. You'll need to set the A record to Shopify's IP address, which currently is 23.227.38.65. If there's already an A record listed, simply update the IP address. If not, create a new A record and input the proper information. Next, we'll configure the name record. Here, you need to ensure that the name is set to shops.myshopify.com. This step ensures that your domain will correctly point to Shopify, allowing your visitors to reach your store without any hiccups. Double-check everything here because even a small typo or a missing dot can cause your domain not to connect properly. With the Hostinger settings taken care of, let's switch over to Shopify. Once you're logged into Shopify, navigate to the Online Store option located within the settings. From there, click on Domains. This section will show you currently connected domains and provide the option to add new ones. Look for the button or link that says Connect Existing Domain or something similar, and click it. Type in your Hostinger domain that you set up earlier. Shopify will prompt you to verify the connection. This might take a couple of tries, as DNS changes can take a little while to propagate across the internet. Be patient and make sure that you've correctly entered the details. To make sure everything is in order, use Shopify's built-in option to verify your domain connection. You may need to refresh or wait a few moments for the domain to be verified successfully. Once verified, your domain should be connected and your Shopify store can be accessed using your custom Hostinger domain. Remember, it might take up to 48 hours for these DNS changes to fully take effect, so don't worry if the connection isn't immediate. And there you have it, a seamless connection between your Hostinger domain and Shopify website. With these steps, your online store is set up to give your visitors a professional and reliable experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling! Generate script and audio record your screen using the audio upload video for processing.